Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the default view in the Google Earth mobile app. Whether you prefer starting with your home screen or diving straight into the globe, this simple adjustment. First, open the Google Earth app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu that appears, choose Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the Default View option. Now, tap on Default View, and you'll be presented with two choices: Home Screen and Explore Earth. Finally, choose your preferred option. Selecting Home Screen will take you to your saved locations and projects upon opening the app. Opting for Explore Earth will launch the app directly into the globe, ready for exploration. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.